Bakwaga CHINYOMBA niko baburiwe kubwate Richiko na Ri'Obwagachi nabo iga makweri atane kwe kubwatikana ni CHINYOMBA kugwa OKOBORIGWA niko kwarurwe no murayi gwe kiombe kya AAK Georgia kyo getenerete Obwagachi gwe CHINYOMBA ime yense.
Ekiombe getenerete Obwagachi ime yense gya AAK the Architectural Association of Kenya kyabwatukire oroboti rumwaka bw'ekiribubere 2025 oruo rumanyekanete buna AAK Status of the Build Environment ukwana ime yo mucho Nairobi no murayi bw'ekiombe kyo George Ndege oyo oene kiribuna omuchando omonene ekiombe kyo kyabere kegwetera no moroberio bugutaikiranigwa gwechinchera chekerero asebono arurukuburia gochia asabo bisaba kwigereria enganeyo koimukia egetambukero kya bwangu.
Urbanization in Kenya, and of course most critical is development control and e-permitting, which as we report today is one of the biggest hurdles to professionalism or professionalizing the urbanization and the construction sector in Kenya. As we speak right now, majority of our counties are doing manual development control processes, and the few are doing the e-permitting, the electronic system. Out of the 4 of them are not currently operational, and our members are facing challenges. They're not able to submit projects. And because we believe that this is actually intentional, that it's a way of frustrating developers and at the same time pushing the agenda that the various officers in this development control office have a better solution. And this solution, of course, is always through facilitation, which is a pit of corruption that is happening right now.
Nigobono atebire kubwatekana no gutaikiranigwa kumoroberio oyo bwechinchera chekerero omanyekanete buna e-permitting system nigo aba engineer bagendrete gwetera obokongu ase okorwa obokoreri bwabo.
An association, our members are really suffering. They are in the thick of this storm, because once you go through the rigor of developing concept, understanding the design, giving our developer solution, the bit where the government is supposed to come in, that's the local government, and be able to push the process forward to construction, is becoming a bottleneck. And this bottleneck, we believe, could have been solved by the e-permitting systems, which AAK pushed to be developed from 10 years ago through the support of the World Bank. And we did, starting with Nairobi, we did Kiambu, Mombasa, Kisumu, and unfortunately the other counties have not been able to take the next step and strangling the progress of construction. Remember, for every building approval that is delayed, those are several families of fundis that are being put out of work.
Nabo orurukuburia gochia ase ekiombe gyokuringa ori CHINYOMBA gya National Building Inspectorate koba maiso erikwenekia imebasukano ekwenekiwa ase CHINYOMBA chikwagachwa n'abantu basiria obugima bwabo tegochia kobaroro.
So with the National Building Inspectorate has a very important mandate that yes, the whole process of building is quite long, and it starts off with the inception, or where the developer wants to put money and how they want to recoup their money. And of course there's the issue of the need, but there's the whole process of building, there's the whole process of permitting and approvals, and then the whole process of construction, then there's a whole process of maintenance and making sure that a building is not just done and then it's left to its own devices to be able to be habitable. Now, where the National Building Inspector comes in is at that level, and I don't think it necessarily when they're looking at a call like something has happened or something looks like it's going to fall. It should be a continuous process of assessing these buildings and being able to check their stability, being able to even check, for example, is the maintenance being done as per the requirements. Now, it's possible that they don't have capacity, because this requires inspectors, it requires money, they need to go around the country. I would say it's like having a police service that has no vehicles.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV, erietariane Linet Nyambane.